Welcome. If you've ever gone live on Instagram and wished you could automatically save your broadcasts for later, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the updated steps to automatically save your Instagram lives to your archive, so you never lose those important moments again. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to save your lives. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, located in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From this menu, find and select Archiving and Downloading. This is where you'll find all the settings related to saving and managing your content on Instagram. Now, here's the important part. Look for the option labeled Save Live to Archive. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Tap the switch to turn it on. Once enabled, every time you go live on Instagram, your broadcast will be automatically saved to your archive. This means you can revisit, rewatch, or even repurpose your live videos whenever you want, without having to manually save them each time. That's it. With just a few taps, you've set up Instagram to automatically archive your live videos. This is perfect for creators, businesses, or anyone who wants to keep a record of their live sessions for future use. Remember, your archived lives are private and only visible to you unless you choose to share them later. You can access them anytime by going to your archive from your profile menu. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.